Hello, in this video we will be learning about major biosphere reserve in India and the species protected there. So the first biosphere reserve is Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve, Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve, which is located in Himachal Pradesh, and the key species protected here is snow leopard. The second biosphere reserve is Nanda Devi, which is located in Uttarakhand, and species protected here are again snow leopard and Himalayan black bear. The third biosphere reserve is in Sikkim, that is Kanchenjunga, and the species protected here are red panda and snow leopard. The next biosphere reserve is located in Arunachal Pradesh, and that is here. Its name is Dibang Biosphere Reserve. The species found here are Mismi takin and musk deer. You can remember these two species by the name of the hills found here. Actually, the hill found here are Mismi Hills. These hills are Mismi Hills. So you can remember the name of the species by the name of these hills, that is Mismi takin and musk deer. The next biosphere reserve is here, that is in Assam, and its name is Dibru Saikova, and the species found here is golden langur. Okay, the next biosphere reserve is again in Assam, and that is here. This biosphere reserve is Manas Biosphere Reserve, and the species found here is again golden langur and red panda. The next biosphere reserve is in Meghalaya, that is here. It is No Creek Biosphere Reserve, and the species found here is red panda. Okay, then we will be moving towards West Bengal. In West Bengal we have one biosphere reserve, that is Sundarbans, and we all know that we found here Royal Bengal tiger is the protected species here. Okay, then the next biosphere reserve is in Odisha, that is somewhere here. Okay, and its name is Simlipal Biosphere Reserve, and the species found here is Gore tiger and Asian elephant. Okay, the next biosphere reserve will be in Andhra Pradesh, located somewhere here, and the name of this biosphere reserve is Seshachalam Biosphere Reserve. And the protected species found here is slender loris. Okay, the next biosphere reserve is located in Iceland, in Nicobar Island, that is the name of it is Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve, and the species protected here is salt crocodile. Okay, the next biosphere reserve is here at the Tamil Nadu coast, that is Gulf of Mannar Biosphere reserve. The species protected here is dugong, or we call it as sea cow. Okay, and then the next is here at the junction of Kerala and Tamil. Here it is Tamil Nadu, here it is Kerala, and this is the biosphere reserve, and the name of biosphere reserve is Agastya Malai Biosphere Reserve. Two important species found here are elephant and Nilgiri Tahir. Then we found one biosphere reserve here at the tri-junction of three states, that is Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, and the name of biosphere reserve is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. And the protected species here are one, तो obviously Nilgiri, let me repeat and write it again, that is Nilgiri Tahir, and the other is lion-tailed macaw. Then we will be moving towards Gujarat. Then in Gujarat we have one, that is Kutch Biosphere Reserve, and the species found here is wild ass. Okay, then we have three biosphere reserve in Madhya Pradesh, that is one is here Panna Biosphere Reserve. The species found here are tiger, chinkara, cheetal and sambar. These species are found here. Then we have one biosphere reserve here, that is Panchamari Biosphere Reserve. Okay, the species found here are giant squirrel and flying squirrel. And the last biosphere reserve, which is found at the border of MP and Chhattisgarh, that is Achanakmar Amarkantak Biosphere Reserve. And the species found here are four-horned antelope and bush frog. So these are basically the biosphere reserves in India. Let me rotate it so that you can see it clearly. These are the major biosphere reserve found in India. I have marked them here for your clarity. That is, first is Cold Desert in Himachal Pradesh, Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand, then Kanchenjunga, then here we have Dibang. One more thing that you can remember is also we have here one national park, that is Namdapha National Park. UPSC have been asking question around this national park. Then again we have two biosphere reserve in Assam, that is Dibru-Saikhowa and Manas. One in Meghalaya, that is Nokrek. One in West Bengal, that is Sundarban. One in Odisha, that is Simlipal. One in Andhra Pradesh, that is Seshachalam. Then here it is Gulf of Mannar. In Nicobar it is Great Nicobar. Then Agastya Malai in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Nilgiri and three states, that is Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Then run of Kutch Biosphere Reserve is in Gujarat, and we have three biosphere reserve in MP, that is Panna, Panchamari and Achanakmar Amarkantak. Here I have mentioned the biosphere reserve in which they state they have found and the species protected here. So you can pause the video and take the screenshot, or you can just pause the video and note it down. Okay, thank you.